Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The 4 R's. Today is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. Yes, family, it is a great day to be alive in the land of the living. So right here, I'm showing you how I decorated my fireplace mantle for 2024. Normally, I take you all along with me, but this year, the majority of my decor, I have been doing it on my own because time does not permit me at the moment. So you'll get to see some that we do together and some I will just do on my own. Okay, so right here I have these 3 Christmas trees together right there, and then I have this beautiful angel right here with the hope sign on there, and then we have some balls, and then in the corner coming down you see I have some poinsettias, and then I add some long beautiful like red wine decor right over there. Okay, so I'm going to come back up to here and we're going to go over like this. So this is almost like a 2-tier fireplace mantle. It didn't come that way, but I added the second shelf at the bottom, which I will show you shortly. So let's just take a look on top here. So we're just going to go like this slowly. And then we have this owl right here. We have another angel here that says love. And then we have a sled with some Christmas balls over there. And then right over here, we have another angel that says fate. And I think the other one says peace. Okay, so this is what on top here looks like. And then we have another nutcracker on this side over here. So this is the nutcracker over there, and then behind the nutcracker on this side here, let me come over here so you can see, I have some Christmas trees, topiary right here, and the topiary balls. Okay, however we want to call them. Maybe I should put some fairy lights here. I will see. Okay, so coming down here also I have another sets of ornaments right here, and then this is the second shelf underneath here, and it has this beautiful nativity scene. And then I'll just show you everything else here underneath here, and I think this is so beautiful. What do you think? Okay, and then at the bottom here I have my television. Let me come down so you can see. Okay, so I do have the television underneath here as my screensaver, and I think that's a beautiful screensaver. And at the bottom here I do have my center. Excuse my antenna that fall in the back right there, and I have my elephant with some pigs. Let's see if I can bring it in a little closer so you can see the pigs that are on there. Okay, and then coming around, then we have some Christmas lights here. Those lights came from the Dollar Tree. I have had these for maybe 5-6 years. Okay, I forgot to turn on that little hide on the bottle brush, but I will do it when I do the tour, okay? And then I have my Buddha right here. So this is what my fireplace mantle looks like. Okay, so I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment in the box below. And I will see you in my next video, or I am at yours.